day everyone, I'm Darren Salvador, together with my groupmate, Jos Pasolas and Harry Lagman. Today, explain ko sa inyo kung bakit namin pinili ang aming project na ito. The Real Tools is a web-based project designed to promote and sell high-quality tools online. The main goal of the project is to create a platform where customers can easily find, explore, and purchase tools that fit their needs, whether for construction, repair, or personal DIY project. The website features a modern and user-friendly interface that focuses on both functionality and design. Each page serves a purpose. The home page introduces the brand and gives user welcome first impression. The page allows users to browse different tools with clear image, prices, and descriptions. Both pages share the company's stories and values, helping build trust with the customer. The checkout page provides a smooth and secure transaction process for easy ordering. The project was built with simplicity and usability in mind. It also uses a professional color theme inspired by the industrial look to reflect strength and craftsmanship. This project, we aim to show how technology can connect businesses with people by making shipping for tools convenient, reliable, and enjoyable. The Real Tool is not just an online store. It represents hard work, trust, and quality service for builders and creators. Ngayon naman, ituturo ko kayo sa aming webpage. Pagbukas mo pala ng aming webpage, alam mo na kung para saan ito. The Real Tools, premium tools for every builders. So, sa aming navigation bar, makikita mo ang product, home, about, saka checkout logo. Nakikita mo rin dito ang aming header na The Real Tools Quality for Every Project. Meron ka din makikita ang dalawang buttons na Shop Now and Why Choose Us. Scroll mo lang at makikita mo ang aming mga ino-offer. At makikita mo rin ang our mission and more details sa aming floater. Ito naman tayo sa aming product list. Dito makikita nyo ang mga iba't iba naming product na ginagamit pang DIY or professional use. Tools na mga gamit mo para mapadali ang iyong trabaho. Ayan, scroll ka lang hanggang sa baba. At pwede ka na mamili kung anong gusto mo dyan. Pwede ka ting mamili kung ilan ang bibilin mo. Plus and minus lang yan. Kapag nakapili ka na, add to cart mo lang. After mo maklik ang add to cart, may lalabas na continue shopping o go to checkout. Ikaw na bahala. Pero ngayon, continue shopping pa rin tayo para marami tayong mabili. Yan, hanap-hanap ka lang kung ano mga gusto mong bilhin. Pagkatapos nyan, go to checkout. Ngayon, mapupunta ka naman sa aming billing and shipping. At makikita mo rin ang order summary mo. Pwede mo siyang dagdagan, depende sa gusto mo. At pwede ka rin mag-delete ng mga item na hindi ka sure bilhin. After nyan, lagay mo na yung mga billing address mo. Yung pangalan mo, yung email mo, yung phone number mo, address, city, and postal code. Dito naman sa aming payment method, pwede kang mamili. Marami kang pagbibilian dyan. Meron tayong card, GCash, cash on delivery, bank transfer, Maya, PayPal. At ito na yung trend ngayon. Pwede ka na magbayad ng cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or USDT. Diba? Napaka-simple lang. Katapos mo ilagay lahat ng mga details mo sa payment option mo, i-place order mo lang. After nyan, may lalabas na order placed successfully. At pagka-click mo ng OK, mabalik ka na sa aming homepage. Maraming salamat and have a good day everyone. This is The Real Tools, premium tools for every builders. Thank you.